Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
In Rama Attack attempt to murder case, all the 8 accused, including Zenito Cardozo, on Thursday were produced before the North Goa District and Sessions Court. The court, after a brief hearing, extended their judicial custody for another 14 days. Meanwhile, Panjim police and the investigation officer have the deadline of 18th November to file the charge sheet in this matter, as all the accused are under custody, and as per law, if the charge sheet is not filed within 60 days since arrest, then the accused will automatically be bailed out. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.